What is going on, guys? Chris Rennick here, and to be honest, I already started this video about 2 hours ago, but I was in a super pissy mood and I was not happy and things weren't going right. So if you guys watched yesterday's video, you know that I spent literally an hour getting coil packs out of Jack's Skeletor, and it was a nightmare. I almost got heat stroke. Like, honestly, my hands were pooming, I was shivering, and at the end of the day, I felt like I was just gonna vomit everywhere. Long story short, went home, drank some water, edited the video, everything was fine. But came here today, tried the coil packs and everything. The car was still misfiring, still hiccuping. We took the spark plugs out again. We did a bunch of different things and nothing seemed to be working. Now, I think we finally found the problem, but before I tell you that, we do have a sponsor in today's video. They come by every single month and I can't say anything but thank you, so check this out. Today's video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. As you guys know, Raid has been coming to my channel every single month, and it's truly amazing to have a sponsorship like them. One, it's a great game. Two, it's a great company, and I love working with them. So if I can just take a minute of your time to explain why this game's so great, I think you're gonna download it. One, this game is absolutely free. I'm not asking you to spend $1, a penny, or anything. All I'm asking you to do is go in the description below and get yourself a free good game. This game is on iOS, Android, or computer. Whichever platform you have, the game's on all of them. Now let's actually dive into what I really love about this game. Number one, you guys already know me and the mystery shard, so let's just open it. So we got the hurler right here. This is actually a rare champion, a 3-star champion, and he's pretty good. But can we just take a second and just acknowledge how good these graphics are just looking around this champion? It's honestly insane. Another thing that I really love about this game is the PvP arena, dude. Like, I must be the strongest dude around the block because literally no matter what, I'm wiping these guys out in one hit. Ready? Bam! How about another one? Bam! All right, just one more for good measure. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. I guess I gotta train too. I also really enjoy the campaign in this game because like they have so many difficulties and they have so many levels that it's like you can constantly play this game and you never get bored.
A mystery shard.
Now this month is the perfect month to download this game because they came out with a ton of update. Number one, champion fragments. Champion fragments are these pieces that you collect over time in the game and they let you summon different champions. There's also a new bazaar that you can load up on high valued items that you can win in the tag arena. Also, they have this thing called the daily login reward that every single day you play this game you can get a new reward such as energy, mystery shards, XP, champions, literally anything, and all you have to do is sign in the game. That's it. Now, once again, this game is free to play. It's gonna be in the description below, and if you are a new player, don't worry, I got rewards for you. Not only are we gonna be giving you 100,000 silver, which is a lot, we're also gonna be giving you a new champion called Channeler, and we're gonna pop him up on the screen right now. This is a really good champion, and I promise you, you're gonna need him for your journey. These rewards are only for 30 days, so I suggest you download this game now for free, and I wanna thank Raid Shadow Legends for coming back yet for another month. You guys are awesome. Peace. Okay, so thank you for taking the time to watch that ad. Raid Shadow Legends comes back every month, and I just want to say thank you to them once again. Anyways, I think we found the problem. So sometimes you get so deep into a car and you're like just trying to check everything, and like at the end of the day, the problem is right in front of your face. So Octavio hit me up. He was like asking about the car and everything, and I kind of just explained my situation, tell him what I've changed, what I've went through, and like everything that we did to get to the point where we're at. And he was like, hey, maybe there's a chance that the timing jumped. And I'm like, well, that's a little weird. It's got all brand new Gates belt, Gates tensioners, like literally every single thing is nice on this car. So I was like, okay, I'll entertain that. And turns out that the timing is off. So you can see that the crank, well, you can't see it because it's a GoPro, but the crank is not all the way at top dead center yet, and this cam is pretty much almost straight, and this one is almost straight as well. So I think it's like 3 teeth off, which would really cause this car to run like a bag of dicks like it has been. We did notice that my cam angle sensor plug, the wires were kind of frayed, so I got John the clone over here. He is fixing that up while I'm doing the timing, and hopefully next clip. I'm not gonna film any of this because I just wanna get this car done at the point. I feel like we're at the point where it's kind of repetitive, and I do apologize for that. It's just, I mean, things happen. This is what happens when you build cars and stuff, and I just wanna get it done before I go to Connecticut because I really wanna bring this car. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be, it's gonna be a reunion to bring this car back to Connecticut, but just making literally triple the horsepower. So it's gonna be cool. I appreciate everyone that watches the videos every day, and kind of, did I spit on my lens 3 times now? But anyways, I appreciate everyone watching my videos every day and stuff. You guys are awesome, and we are gonna get this car running today, I promise. Okay, well, I am dripping sweat once again. This car, I can't lie, it has been beating the hell out of me. We have been freaking pulling the engine, tearing the engine apart, doing this, doing that. Let me clean the lens. Doing so many things, and like, I feel like every time we fix something, something else goes bad or something else happens. And I think we finally have figured out the major issue. The timing was off. I spent the time and I retimed the whole engine. I literally haven't even taken a break. I just grinded the whole time. It probably took about 45 minutes because I've done timing quite a lot. I think the problem was when I went to actually go put this all together, I didn't like pry the tensioner forward so it would tighten the belt more. I kind of just trusted that little spring. And if you guys time a Miata engine, just try to pull that tensioner back as much as you can. Don't depend on that spring 100%. I made that mistake. I'm lucky because Miatas are non-interference engine, so meaning the piston will never hit the head or anything like that. So no matter if you mess up the timing 100 times, your engine's gonna be okay. But for like RB26s or Civics, like stuff like that, if you mess up timing, you're gonna bend a valve, you're gonna have a really bad day. So instead of a bad day, I had a couple bad days because I didn't know, but I do wanna give a big shout out to Treasure Coast for kind of pointing me in the right direction. Like honestly, I've been so like stressed out and everything that I didn't even think about timing. But we're like almost celebrating right now. Enough celebrating.
No, here. Give me this.
You ready, dude?
Yeah, let's do this.
Like, I haven't felt confident about like the last few things we've done, but I will say this: I feel confident right now. Feel confident.
It definitely was an issue.
It definitely was an issue.
I think you got this.
Oh, dude. Nervous. Prime it one more time. One more time.
Three's a charm, man. That sounds great. I hear turbo.
I hear turbo.
What do you think, man?
Sounds pretty good. I mean, we still have a little handful of the turbo leak. Jack said it should be fine. I did one night it for Saturday, but I wasn't here at 10 o'clock in FedEx. If you're not here to like sign their freaking stupid doodad thing, they take it, and now I won't have it until Monday. But honestly, man, that's the least of my concern. Like, I'd love to pull the turbo apart today, but let's go drive this thing, dude. You know how like when you have a bad puppy and it does something bad, and you have to be like, cut it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
All right.
This thing needs to cut it out. James, you want to hear something so satisfying?
Oh, yes. She's back. She's back, baby.
I just kind of want to soak it. Dude, my fucking hands are all bloody. I had fucking sliced my hand on the water pump because like when you're tightening, you saw it, when you're tightening the water pump pulley, fucking, especially with a gun, it starts spinning fast and my knuckle was there and it sliced my knuckle open. I didn't even care at that point. I knew the timing was off. I'm like, fuck it, dude. You make me bleed. You fucking make me cry. You do whatever you got to do as long as you run at the end of this.
We got
Remember, we didn't have any boost, James? Was that a spin?
I think it was.
We lost it. Oh, I bet you that was the valve cover bolt we lost.
Probably.
We lost the valve cover bolt. I mean, I have a couple extras, but I think it just
We'll pick it up on our way back.
We'll forget about it. Wow, things actually moving.
It actually feels good. It feels really good.
Feels back to normal.
Yeah.
That's with the turbo leak too.
Yeah.
Still.
She feels good. She feels really good. little spin there, a little spin. Oh, just
like,
loaded up, yep.
My mind is fucking with me. Oh, I haven't even checked the AFRs. All right, this is what broke her. You ready? Little sloppy, got a little nervous.
She's running good. I bet you that feels better, way better.
Heart's racing. No misfire. Small little coolant. I have to bleed it anyways. We're at 190, it's fine. I don't even know what kind of emotion to give right now, dude. It's like, it's almost like I'm living in a dream. I've been
relieved, at least? Yeah.
I'm like shaking. I'm like terrified right now.
Just relieved.
Bad girl! Don't do that! Bad!
Anyway, I think she's good.
I think she's good. I mean, we got to take the intercooler piping off and fix that weld. But I mean, other than that, and the turbo leaking a little bit, and I have a little bit of water in here and stuff, so I want to drain that. It's just I wanted to not put antifreeze in it if I had to pull the engine again. But I think I'm gonna put a little antifreeze in it. I haven't done that in a long time, but she's smoking a little bit, but shit happens, man.
She runs. She's back alive.
I don't know what to say, dude. I'm like almost speechless. Like I've been working on this thing for a fucking full week of just nonsense. But anyways, we have some more good news here. So, as you guys know, I've been filming James's car. He has the Mazda Miata NC, and he did the Ford 2.5 swap.
Yes.
Now, this car is officially running and driving. He has the Haltech ECU in it. He's working out a little kinks. Like right now, you got a fan issue.
Yeah, the fan's bad. The fan is just, it won't work on the stock ECU, it won't work on the Haltech. It barely spins, so I'm ordering another fan.
Yeah, so it's just a little weak, but dude, he let me drive this the other day, and this thing freaking moves. And like when you're rolling, like it gets like a little hot, like up to 200 and everything, but it doesn't get like hot enough to where you have to like worry about it. But I say we take this thing for a rip.
Sure.
Because dude, it feels freaking, you still don't have a seat.
I got it in the back of the car.
Dude, who'd you learn it from?
Yeah, you, man. The best.
Yeah.
Learn from the best.
So James, I will say, like, you letting me drive this has really gave me an open mind about the NC, because like for a while it was like my least favorite one, but like this thing handles so incredible, and like the car is just so smooth that like I'm excited to get one, because I have to get one.
Well, you're gonna have to. You gotta have the collection.
I need all of them. She starts up good, idles good. Dang, this thing's good. Yep, I'm used to the ND. So we're gonna show you a little rage real quick. We're gonna get to Mexico, and we'll be right back. All right, here we go. We're in Mexico. Little understeer we got. I'm not good at heel towing on this.
No, it'll take a little bit of getting used to.
I miss it every time, James. My heel doesn't hit the pedal. Nope, again. Dude, this thing is sick.
She's torquey,
This
dude.
is like, I can't even imagine what this thing's gonna feel like with a turbo. It is going to be freaking rowdy, because this thing's pretty torquey. It feels awesome, dude. This is an awesome swap. And how much was this engine?
300?
And you can get these at your local junkyard, like hundreds of them.
Oh yeah, easy. Yeah.
$300. How many miles?
It came with 34,000.
34,000 miles. How much money would you say, minus the haul tech, because you don't technically need it? How much money would you say, minus the turbo kit too, just full motor swap?
Just the motor swap, I think it goes for, you probably can get it done for less than $1,000.
Less than $1,000. So if you have an NC and you're looking for how much more horsepower, like 30, 40?
It's like a good 20 horsepower, about 30 torque.
Exactly. Yeah. And like for $1,000, like even cams are like $500, and then you have to get it tuned and stuff, and it's like.
But the thing is, like with cams with these, they're pushing 210, 220.
Which is awesome. Which a CX Racing turbo gives out 210. So CX Racing turbo,
all motor,
$1,800. All motor, $1,000. Engine swap, learn something cool. Dude, this thing's sick. So I just wanted to show you guys this because a few people have been asking about an update for James's car, and it's sick. And dude, show them what you did with the haul tech.
Oh yeah, with this?
Yeah, look at this thing.
Hey, look,
you got this working with the haul tech, dude. Wiring genius over here.
Well, we tried.
Look at that.
We tried. We're convertible, man. We gotta be convertible.
How was that ride? I forgot you had no
comfy,
seat.
man. It's comfy.
All right, guys. So we're gonna go celebrate eating at Nat's. Like a little weird, I can't lie. Is that my clutch?
It's possible.
I probably still smell coolant because we just kind of spilt it.
Yeah.
The Jimmy Oaks funnel challenge screwed it. All right, Nets. That's how you do it. Dude, what are you wearing? XL? Dude, oh, look at that anti-Cali roll, dude. That's fire. All right, guys, well, it's official. The Rice from Miata, she is officially driving down the road again, hitting boosts. The only question, I guess, for now is how long?
We'll give it a week or two.
Give it a week or two, yeah. My new CT plan is to plan on leave on Tuesday. The only reason why that is I want Jack to just look at the car one more time, like with a tune and everything, just make sure everything is good tomorrow. I want to fix the steering wheel, put the interior back together, just get everything how I want it, just look over the car one more time. Monday, we're gonna go grab Skeletor, and I have to put it back together. I just refuse to do it at that warehouse, and me and Char, we're gonna trailer it here. So kind of works out because Jack wanted to throw that thing on the dyno anyways, so it all kind of works out. I want to thank Raid Shadow Legends for sponsoring this video. I'm really sorry that it was kind of a short, kind of relaxing video, but honestly, man, I'm just so beat, and I'm just trying to go home and play some Forza. I'm sure you guys understand. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and subscribe for more.